me, waiter, we're ready to order.
What you want?
What do I want? I'd just like the usual, thanks.
She likes the usual with little bit cream on top.
What's the usual?
She likes the usual
Roasted chicken.
sausage and little bit cream
Can
on
you say it
top.
to the camera? Big voice.
Roasted
She likes
chicken,
the
cheese and
sausage.
avocado sandwich.
Wait, let me
No,
go.
he's saying wait, no.
She likes the big sausage and little bit cream on top.
Yes, I know, but he's going to say my order. Like, he knows it, right? Okay, good. Big loud voice.
She likes a big sausage and little bit cream on top.
Roasted chicken, cheese and avocado sandwich.
Yeah, what is it?
Roasted chicken, cheese and avocado sandwich.
Yes. Roasted chicken, cheese, onion, and avocado.
And
No fucking sausage and no cream on top.
And I love the vagina.
He
When I
loves
see the vagina, I go berserk and crazy. Especially when I touch it, I feel like a billion% like a man. I feel very horny and I wanna make love and sex. And I enjoy sex and love.
And I want drugs as well.
Especially when she's slim and beautiful and clean, that's what I love. Then my heart will go hard like a steel, then I can have plenty sex,
Okay,
plenty
baby,
love,
the show is over.
plenty love.
Come, you need to leave.
Okay. Thanks. Thanks for that. That's beautiful.
Thank you, I love you.
Sausage with cream on top.
No. All he was saying, it was code for I wanted a little bit of sun-dried tomato on my sandwich.